Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Pounamu Tipiwai-Chambers tō Greenwa. I'm a second year student here at Victoria University of Wellington. I'm studying a Bachelor of Arts in Te Reo Māori, Māori Resource Management and Pacific Studies. And we are here today at Te Herenga Waka Marae, our beautiful marae on campus. I guess I'm like a kai tautoko at the marae. Whenever there's kaupapa on, I try to be around, help out where I can, but yeah, just be an influence of sustainability in a way. We have parakore as a big kaupapa that we have here in our wharekai and in our marae. It's just trying to influence our tauira to think a bit more consciously. I mean, we're the tangata whenua, so we should be looking after our atua. So yeah, parakore is a way of us making a difference. Yeah, here at uni, but also here in Wellington and at our marae. Aspirations, I think, for me, is just making people aware. So we had a hui this morning talking about being an influence for other tauira. My two things that I really hate are plastic bags and plastic bottles. So it's just making people aware of the damage that they're causing and making them think of alternative options to being a bit more sustainable. Yeah, to get rid of, one-use plastics or unnecessary things that they could have better things for. I think people are really thinking about recycling. They ask, can you recycle this, or could we reuse this? One thing for me is the little plastic bits that are in a lot of wharekai that don't need to be, for instance the butter containers. There's little plastic butters, whereas you can just get a block of butter and it's it's not in plastic. I think it's just people have become more aware and they're starting to think of alternative options. Okay, so here at Te Herenga Waka we now have bins for recycling, for different plastics, for paper and all of that, and we also have lots of signage kind of showing people that might be a bit scared or a bit unaware of just what the kaupapa's about. So I think that's really important, understanding how you can recycle better or reduce your plastics with all the pictures and stuff. Okay, so I think parakore is a main initiative for a lot of marae. It's a small step into becoming a lot more active in your community or whatever. Yeah, parakore is the start. It's the start that you get support with, and then you take whatever you've learned from parakore to better your kaupapa in your own area. So yeah, it's helped us to become aware, and now we have to start making the differences for our tauira. Nō reira te iwi, jump on board the waka. It's a mean way to stand up for taonga of our tipuna, represent tangata whenua, kaitiakitanga, and looking after everything that belongs to us. Tihei mauri ora.